Hey friends, a lot of people ask me as a vegan or plant-based eater what I eat and how I go without certain things. I don't really care for meat, but this is an example of all the things that you think you would be missing if you became vegan or a plant-based eater. All of this is plant-based. This is not eggs. This is not actual hot dogs. This is not actual cream cheese and so forth. But I'm going to show you how, well, for me, it all tastes good. It tastes like the real thing. And the best about it is it's healthy for you. I like to use crackers a lot. It's not as dense as bread, and you don't tend to eat, with a whole sandwich. You tend to stuff yourself with flour that can basically choke your system, in my opinion. I'm not a doctor, buddy. This is just my personal opinion on things. To me, this is one of the best brand of crackers. Not affiliated with any of these people, by the way. But I just like Crix. And this one is sesame seed multigrain. That's the consistency of it. And just to show you, I made this for myself. This is tofu with some sausages that come from Lightlife. They taste just like actual hot dogs, but they are plant-based. I mixed that up with turmeric, onion powder, garlic, actual onions, some salt, a little black pepper, and I also added some vegan plant-based butter. This is the actual butter here. Comes just like regular butter, and the consistency is also the same. So again, no need for animals to be injured. Try a little bit here. And I will be using a spoon again, not double dipping because it's just for me. And you can hear that crunch. I really love it. With crackers, you can also just simply put, sometimes what I would do, simply just put a piece of sausage, again plant-based sausage, on a cracker. That's so good. Next option, I used to do this a lot as a kid. This is actually plant-based butter, but as a kid I would, I wasn't vegan then, so I would use plain butter, and I used to love this as a snack. This is cream cheese. Same consistency, everything, but plant-based. Tastes just like cream cheese. Again, not affiliated with any of these, but I do like this brand for anything that imitates dairy, and I like this brand for anything that imitates things like bacon and sausage. They do it the best. That's just my opinion. Cream cheese. The next thing you could have, I just simply have some strawberry jam. Don't take too much of this because it's, it does have sugar in it, but I always look for the ones that say, no artificial colors or flavors. Avoid that high fructose syrup. They just use cane sugar, that's okay. So just strawberry jam, my favorite type of jam, and some Crix. Now, yeah, I'm using Crix for everything, but Amazon, if you have access to them, also sells a box with different kinds of crackers. From what I checked, this is also vegan, but offers a variety. Not necessarily the same as Crix, very close to it, but this one here is really nice. I think it's a graham type of cracker. I'm just going to show you the inside. This is how it comes. This comes in a sealed bag, and inside here is another plastic container to keep it. The multigrain, white, kind of a Dixie type as well. You can use that as an option, but most times when I'm eating crackers, this is actually my go-to. Peanut butter. And the reason is, unlike these other things, straight protein. This is protein too, but I would have to go through a whole set of things to create tofu. This is the firm tofu that I use. It actually comes in two. I cut it in half. But you know, peanut butter is right there. It's available. I don't have to do any preparation. Great protein and healthy oils for me. This is the one I use, but this is not artificial stuff in it. This is just pure 100% peanut butter. As is it. This is maybe a tiny salt, I guess, for preservative purposes, but just peanut butter. If you gave me those other things like Jiffy, what is it? It's a Jif or Jiffy or something like that. Can't remember the name. But those are the commercial brands of peanut butter. I just don't like it. Tastes like, when I eat it, it tastes like, I feel like I'm tasting sugar and I'm tasting oil. I'm not actually tasting peanut butter. Anyway, this is the things I normally eat when on the go. And all of this is vegan. And I also enjoy my cooks. Tell me what you think in the comments area.